Hello everyone and welcome to Farm Flint. Today we will be working on a strawberry banana sea moss gel recipe. Unfortunately, the supermarket ran out of organic strawberries. I was able to obtain organic bananas, but I had to go with regular strawberries, but they look great. So we're going to move forward to the pot. We're adding 1 liter of distilled water, also thoroughly rinsed wild crafted Jamaican sea moss, and we're just going to set that on low while we prepare for our fruit. And we're going to start with cleaning our strawberries using baking soda, vinegar, and water. And we're going to drain those out. And we're going to pluck the tops off, leaving as much of the strawberry as possible. And then we're going to draw and quarter them and then place them back in our large bowl and prepare to cut up our bananas. So just going to cut off the tips here and remove the skins of the bananas. Now don't throw your banana skins away. You can use them to make a fantastic fertilizer, okay? From there, I'm just cutting the bananas on a bias just to be super fancy for absolutely no reason, but you can cut them any way you'd like. And I'm just placing them in the bowl with the strawberries. And to that, I'm going to be adding about 3 tablespoons of organic coconut palm sugar. And then I'm also going to add a little of organic agave syrup, about a tablespoon, and then just squeezing a whole organic lemon, and just go ahead and throw the rinds in there because it's going to make a delicious lemon flavor. And as you can see, those juices, that's what's going to be marinating. So we're going to marinate this mixture overnight, leaving the lemon rinds inside because the lemon rinds hold the lemon flavor, not the juice. Placing that in a refrigerator. So back to our sea moss, which has softened and cooled. We're going to blend until smooth. And then I'm going to take half this mixture and pour it into a container in which I will use for drinks and in cooking. So technically you only need half an ounce of sea moss for this recipe, but I put in a whole ounce because I knew I needed some for other applications. So the other half of that mixture will go in the refrigerator next to our strawberry and banana mixture. And this is the next day, and we're going to pour on top of the sea moss gel the strawberry and banana mixture, and with that we're going to add in my homemade vanilla extract. We're going to add a dash of pink Himalayan salt, and we're going to add a little bit more agave syrup. I say about another tablespoon, and then we're going to blend until smooth. Now the mixture was super thick, so I just added a little bit of hot water, and as you can see, it smoothed out pretty well. So I want to add this to 8-ounce containers, but I didn't realize I had so much. So you know what I did? I also had a couple of 16-ounce containers, and so you can see how much this produced. So I think you'll like this recipe. Enjoy and let me know what you think in the comments.